It's broad daylight right now, but I'm gonna show you how to turn it into nighttime. Making daylight nighttime is actually a lot easier than you might think. What is nighttime? Think about the light. It's blue. So if I want to make my picture blue, what do I need to do? I need to turn my white balance down. I just want to blue this down as much as possible in camera. Now, if you're shooting in RAW, you can adjust the white balance all you want, but it is nice to get it right in camera so that, hey, maybe you could just Wi-Fi to your phone and send it to your client right then and there, and you don't have to do any editing at all. What a thought. All right, so did that first. Second thing I want to do is I want to create an exposure for what I want my background to look like. And in this case, I'm supposed to be faking nighttime. I want it to be dark. So let's go ahead and just take a pic of what's going on over here. Yeah, and that's pretty dark. I'm going to pop on my light, 2 CTO Dells onto my B10. Let's shoot. There's really no excuse for ugly content anymore, not with Storyblocks anyway. If you haven't heard about Storyblocks, they are a company that has stock everything. Now when you're creating content for social media, for ads, for your website, you're able to search right on Storyblocks and find things like video footage, backgrounds, templates, photos, snapshots, vectors, and illustrations. And of course, music and sound effects to go with it. There are over 2.6 million assets. You are sure to find exactly what you need with the industry-leading licensing that Storyblocks has. And of course, you've got the capability for unlimited downloads, so you can explore that stock library and create better imagery faster than ever before. Take a look at the link that I have down here in the description. I'm sure you are going to love it, and make sure you click on that link. I get brownie points, and we get to keep continuing making videos like this one. So thank you so much, Storyblocks, for supporting me and my channel and this video. Now let's get back to that video. Let me try it this way, actually. So if you're there, that's fun. This is like a nice, yeah, so let's do this. Let's have you there. Thanks so much for watching here on YouTube. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you next time.